Hello everyone. So let's go for reading for today. So we'll take card 1 and card 2. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide on to which card you would like to go with for today. So now that's card 1. IK, ambition. A beautiful card. It basically says that you should focus on your ambition and work towards it. So today you should decide a day where you will work hard. I feel today's day there will be a lot of hard work. There will be a lot of efforts you'll be putting for a better tomorrow, or maybe for finishing the project on time and for you to be successful in that project. So a lot of things you will feel is you need a lot of effort to finish it, but at the same time you will feel happy that you got the time and you're able to do the way or manifest it the way you want. And I feel that there will be success, and the success will be in your favor. Maybe someone will try to influence you, is what I feel, but don't get influenced, and just understand that today is the day you need to focus on your goals, your ambitions, and not allow anyone else to interfere in your goals or stop you from growing, because you need to work towards it. And when you work towards your ambition, success is all yours. Let's see what the rune card is coming today. Kenas. So light will be shedded into your life today. Brightness is there. I would say when you start focusing on what is happening around you, you will get clarity also today as to what has to be done, and that clarity somewhere will lead you to make the right decisions in life. So today I would suggest wear something in yellow, because Kenas is light, so I feel you need to wear something in yellow. And also today, if possible, see this symbol. This is Kenas in a paper, in a white chart paper or a plain paper with a green pen. Draw the symbol and carry it with you, so that wherever you go, you are guided on the right path. And today in the morning, when you're having bath, have bath with rose water if you have, or with little bit of milk, and then your normal bath, and the day is going to be successful, and the day is going to go the way you planned. So now let's go to the next card. Card 2, Morrigan, death and magic. You all must be wondering why this card has come and what does it mean. Basically, this can also mean that if there is some emptiness inside your life, face it with courage, face it with happiness, and you will see that your life is a magic. Being given this life, or being given breath by the God itself, is a magic. So remove that emptiness. If you see the lady, she has emptiness in her life, she is ready to even depart and go, but don't do that. There is a world out there which needs you, and which also will help you if you decide to come out of whatever it is that it is troubling you. I would suggest surrender all your pains, all your traumas, and everything to the divine. Allow the divine to decide what is best for you, and then the divine will definitely give you something good. So today, sit and think, why is it that I have always been facing all these things? Do I deserve it? If the answer comes as no, then just put your foot down and say, I will surrender my issues to the God and let the divine decide what has to be done, and I'm sure the day will be super good. So now manas. Maybe manas is coming that you need to work over your emotions. You need to unite the body and the soul together. Unity of body and the soul. Look ahead in the life, embrace things that the way it comes. Usually manas can also be that you have to be strong, you need to be united with your mind and body, and you need to communicate if something is going wrong somewhere. Even for that it says. But overall, when I see this, I feel it is going to be a cheerful day and a beautiful day. So don't worry about it. And today, wear something in red. I feel you need the energy to handle the whole day, so wear something in red. Carry, if possible, a clear quartz with you, and burn a lamp in front of the God today with ghee, and maybe put a glove inside it, that you're protected and none of the energies that is happening around harms you or troubles you. So have a blessed day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.